Okay, here are all the bits you need, and it's a simple modular system. The great thing about this is it's a combination of sawdust, pine shavings, sometimes rice hulls, and recycled plastic. It is high impact, so you can hit it with a whippersnipper. It's not going to hurt it at all, and that makes it last. There's no white ants, no rot. This stuff is brilliant. The kits are simple to put together, there's no tools required, and they have their own watering system included as well. Now the next stage is putting in a really good planting compost. So that's what I'm using to fill these beds. What do you reckon?
That looks great.
Now, the hard work's going to be left to you because you've got to work out what you want to plant in here, but my advice is plant things that you're going to eat. So tomatoes are always really popular, always make it into salads, things like that. Whereas at the back here, deeper system, you could grow carrots, you could grow parsnips and things like that, and maybe some tall plants like maybe tomatoes. So it's not a bad way to go.
That's good. What about basil in the front?
Basil will be perfect.
Okay.
Tomatoes, basil. So thanks very much. Enjoy your Holman planting beds, and I'm on my way.
Thanks, Trev.